Tempstar furnace running on cool mode. It's an electric furnace, but there is central AC. Wonder if you can. No, I don't see them. You can't really hear it out there either. Kitty. Condensating because the windows are open down here. And that high-pitched hum really resonates throughout the house. Kitty. Yeah, whatever. I'll just leave a door like that. See, you can really hear it. That should be closed. Kitty. There's the infant glove. I think it has a like a reciprocating compressor. See what I mean though? Like it really resonates through the fence. Alright, that's it.